Hello everyone, welcome back to Archana's Teaching Hub. In today's video, we are going to discuss some important UGC NET teaching aptitude previous year questions with simple explanation that will help you understand concepts clearly and score better in paper 1. So let's begin with the first question. Question number 1, which of the following is the most important quality of good teacher? Options number A discipline, B punctuality, C good communication skill and D hard work. Answer is C good communication skill. A good teacher must know how to communicate ideas clearly. Without clear communication, even the best content fails. So, communication is the bridge between teaching and learning. Question number 2, teaching becomes more effective when the teacher options A use examples and instructions, B speaks fast, C gives more homework, D asks student to memorize. Answer A use examples and instructions. When a teacher explain with real life examples, student related easily. Instructions make tough concepts simple and memorable. Question number 3, which method is best for developing scientific attitude among students? Options A lecture method, B demonstration method, C question answer method, D storytelling. Answer is B demonstration method. Science means seeing and proving. When teachers demonstrate experiments, students observe and think logically. This builds curiosity and reasoning power. Question number 4. A teacher who encourage student to ask question is options A passive teacher, B democratic teacher, C authoritative teacher and D traditional teacher. Answer is B democratic teacher. A democratic teacher gives freedom to express ideas, ask for opinions, and promotes open discussion, which develops confidence and creativity among learners. Question number 5. Micro teaching is used to options A. Train teachers to improve specific teaching skill. B. Teach small children. C. Test students' performance. D. Evaluate final exam. Answer is A. Train teachers to improve specific teaching skill. Micro teaching is like practice sessions for teachers. They teach a small lessons to a small group, get feedback, and improve their teaching techniques. Question 6. The main purpose of evaluation in teaching is options A to measure learning outcomes, B to compare students, C to assign grade only, D. To punish weak student. Answer is A. To measure learning outcomes. Where evaluation tells us how much students have learned. It's not about competitions, it's about improvement and progress. Question number 7. Which of the following is an example of formative assignment? Options A. Unit test, B. Annual exam, C. Final project, and D. Board exam. Answer is A. Unit test. Others are summative evaluation. Formative assignment happens during learning, like quiz or class test. It helps both teachers and students improve before the final exam. Question number 8. In classroom communication, noise is related to options A. Physical barrier, B. Psychological barrier, C. Language barrier, D. Emotional barrier. Answer is A. Physical barrier. If noise or distance stop student from hearing clearly, that's a physical barrier in communication. Question number 9. Which of the following statement is true about good teaching? Options A. It is a teacher center. B. It is a exam center. It is learner center. And D. It is lecture based. Answer is C. It is learner center. Modern teaching focus on the learner. The teacher guides while students explore and participate actively. Question number 10. Which of the following dominant of learning deals with attitude and values? Options: A. Cognitive, B. Affective, C. Psychomotor, and D. Emotional. Answer is B. Affective. According to Bloom's taxonomy, cognitive is knowledge, affective is attitude and value, psychomotor domain is physical skill. The affective domain helps build positive attitude and values. That's all for a part 1 of our UGC NET Teaching Aptitude PYQ series. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Archana's Teaching Hub for more UGC NET updates and study videos. Stay tuned for part 2, where we will discuss more PYQ with simple explanation. Thank you for watching.